Hello viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Ajenti on Linux Mint 3. Ajenti is an open source web-based control panel for Linux server. It will help server administrator to manage the remote server without any problem. It is a lightweight, powerful and a responsive web interface. It includes a lot of plugins for system and software configuration, monitoring and management purpose. Through this plugin, we can manage all the major services such as web server, mail server, DNS, network monitoring, and much more. Okay, now let us see how to install Ajenti on Linux Mint 3. Okay, now here first of all we have to download the repository key by using wget command. Then after adding the repository key, we will now need to add the repository in our source list. So run the following command. Then before starting installation, we have to update the system repository by using apt-get command. Then now we have to install the Ajenti. Run the following command. Click Y and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. Then here we can see the default username root, then password admin. Then finally we have to restart our Ajenti service. Then after restarting our Ajenti service, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my local host. Following this method, now here we can see login page of Ajenti. Now here we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see Ajenti web-based control panel application. Now we can able to use this application. Thus we have seen how to install Ajenti. On Linux Mint 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxskill. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxskill.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxskill.com.